I went to the thrift store and I found one of the jewelry jars. I'm not expecting to find any gems in here, but it looks somewhat promising. I see some watches and just a lot of random stuff. So let's get into it. First, this thing, ooh, looks really freaking hard to open. They taped the shit out of this. I'll be back. So I finally got it open. This whole thing cost me $15 and we're gonna see if it was worth the price. Oh my god, if my camera stays in place, thank you. First things first, I have like this weird obsession with Eiffel Towers, so this is kind of like perfect. I think they're just so cute. I have like a little Eiffel Tower keychain. I personally wouldn't wear this, but that's kind of fun. That's kind of a fun first start. Here, so you guys can see a bit too. Yeah, I'm lost for this one. I don't know what this is. If anyone can tell me, that would be so appreciated, because what is this? Genuinely, what is this? Okay. Ooh, this is kind of cute. It's like a little peacock clip. I could vibe with this. I mean, it's not really my style. I feel like this would be really cute with something my mom would wear. My mom wears like what? My mom likes to wear a lot of fun little clips and jewelry, so maybe she'd like that. Okay, next we got this little thing. Fun little necklace. I would not wear this, but I'm sure someone could vibe with that. A little ASMR. Okay, now I just dropped it. Oh my. Oh my. I don't know how to like live right now. What is happening? Okay, I had to take a second because my world is falling apart right now. Next we have this piece. Where's the clasp? Oh, so just like a really giant necklace. I used to wear these, fun fact, in high school a lot. We had a uniform, so like jewelry would be the way to express yourself, and I would wear long necklaces like this. But my obsession back then was owls. Don't know why. That's okay, I guess. Okay. Oh my god, something's broken. It says Venezia Italia. Oh my god, my nail. Okay, anyways. That broke, so that sucks. I think this was like... Okay. Should I just like quit like right now while I'm ahead? I think that was a wine stopper. We have this funky piece. There's an earring attached to it. Okay. This is kind of cute. This I could vibe with. I feel like as a belt, like that could be cute. Yeah, as a belt. Next. Ooh, we have this typical piece. I feel like I've seen this type of necklace like everywhere. It's like one of those pieces where I feel like I've seen it everywhere, but it's one of those pieces where I feel like I've seen it everywhere, but I've also like not seen it anywhere. Like I can't recall where I've seen it, but I know for a fact I've seen this like many times. I don't know. Don't vibe with it though. Okay. We got a little watch. That's cute for a child. Really good shape. Great condition. Oh, okay, this is kind of fun. This would be really cute in like a Halloween costume if you were like Cleopatra or something. So it'd just be like that. That could be cute. That could be cute. Don't hate that. For fuck's sakes. I'm really good at this whole TikTok thing. I'm so good at this. Everyone makes it look so much easier when they're unboxing these. Okay. So next we have this little earring. It really needs to be clean though, because like, ew, what is that? So that could be cute though. I don't know where the other one is yet. And then this ring, it's giving like a Vampire Diaries on a budget. And then this little earring could be cute at the beach. It's full of, I can't, I'm putting my camera somewhere. I can't, I'm done. You better fucking stay right there. As I was saying, this could be cute at the beach if you're into that. Only have one though, so have to rock a one earpiece. We have this stylish piece. Oh, I found the other earring. If these were cleaned up, they wouldn't be so bad actually. They're kind of cute. Some birds on it. Oh, it also has like a little tag. And it says Leah Sophia. So I will be looking that up later just for fun. I don't know if this is worth anything. We have another piece here from Leah Sophia. This one's kind of cute. That is one of the nicer pieces I've pulled out so far. Now we have this like really cheap watch that you could probably find something nicer than this at the dollar store actually. And it says Jolie Folie. I don't like that. Okay, so I found the broken piece. That's so tragic. That's so tragic. That could have been pretty cute. Oh well. Oh, and I found the other earrings, so now you could go to the beach and you'll have two. And we have a watch face here. Don't think that's worth anything. And it's super dirty. We have another watch face here. This one's kind of cute. There's no band though, so don't know what you're gonna do with that. Yeah, I don't know what to do with this without a band, but I like the face itself. Ooh, this is cute actually. That is not a bad find. I think that's unique and cute. And it comes in a little pair, so I'm gonna put those aside because those are actually cute and I like them. Then you got this little earring. Honestly, I've seen worse. Those are pretty cute too. Pretty cute. Fashion icon. Oh, and we got another pair of earrings right here. It's giving like Moana vibes. Ooh. Yeah, those are kind of fun. And then next we have just one of these. I don't see these anywhere else in the jar, so we only got one of these, which honestly I wouldn't have hated if there was two, but there's only one. And then you got a pair of silver hoops, the chunky silver hoops. These would have slapped a few years ago. Those are cute though. And then we got this random number here. Looks like a bottle opener, but too weak. I don't know. Anyways, worth $15? I don't think so. And this video was a mess, but thank you for watching and I hope you were entertained. Okay, bye.